Hey everyone, Dr. Ahmed Al-Hasni here from the Institute of Digital Dentistry, and welcome back for another video. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at the Formlabs Form 4B printer. This is the latest dental 3D printer from Formlabs Dental. I've been testing this machine extensively in our clinic and lab for close to a year now, and I'm excited to share my thoughts on whether this 3D printer is worth the investment for those looking to bring 3D printing in-house. Because long story short, I actually really like this printer. It does a lot of things right, but like with any product, there are pros and cons, and let's explore those. So what is the Form 4B? This is Formlabs' newest 3D printer, built on their Form 2 and Form 3B technology, but with several significant changes and improvements. This printer is much faster, thanks to the low-force display print engine, looks a lot better, and has a number of quality of life benefits over previous Formlabs printers, better cartridges, etc. To me, in all honesty, this is the only Formlabs dental printer I would consider buying in this market. So let's nerd out a little bit and talk about the technology in this thing, because it's actually quite interesting. The Form 4B is what the company calls an MSLA printer, powered by a low-force display, which is different to the technology behind their previous generation printers. This is totally new hardware. But what does this all mean when we look at the print engine itself? Well, if we open it up, the printer basically has a backlight unit. This is the light system that contains 60 LED lights together with what they call a baffle and lens array. These two components are responsible for making the light collimated or parallel and uniform, eliminating dark or bright spots. And this all guarantees that you're going to get a uniform bath of light. It also has an integrated cooling system and what the company calls a light processing unit 4. This component has a few features: the metallic frame, the LCD screen, and the release texture. And this will precisely mask the light coming from the backlight unit into the printed layer. The release texture is a proprietary micro-textured optical film that provides airflow and reduces the forces exerted on the parts during printing. This film provides airflow between the flexible film in the resin tank and the light processing unit, and this film is built on top of the light processing unit. Now, what does this all mean for you as a clinician? Basically, it reduces peel forces as it prevents the flexible film in the resin tank from suctioning on the light processing unit, and this allows for faster, more reliable, and more accurate prints. There are also some other things in here, like the intelligent control systems that measure and maintain the temperature, the resin level, and the print forces, and also the print status inside your chamber. There's cameras that enable remote monitoring, print level and resin level sensors, force sensors, and finally, a resin temperature sensor. So there is a lot going on in here. But for us clinicians, and perhaps the biggest game changer for the Form 4B, apart from the speed increase and all the technology, is the recently launched open material mode. This is what I was most excited for, because this is kind of mind-blowing and is a sign of the times and market pressure. This mode allows you to unlock your Form 4B printer to work with a vast range of third-party resins beyond the Formlabs proprietary materials. And this is a significant departure from Formlabs' previous closed ecosystem approach and dramatically expands what you can do with the system. And to be honest, this single thing addresses one of the main downsides of Formlabs printers in the past, because with open material mode, you are no longer locked into Formlabs resins, which opens up competitive options from other manufacturers. This flexibility means you can choose materials based on your specific case requirements, cost considerations, or personal preferences, rather than being limited to Formlabs' catalog. Not only that, but Formlabs is now validating a lot more third-party resins, aside for the ones that they make cartridges for. And I've tested several third-party resins, and the results have been impressive, quite frankly. including Pac-Dent Titan for those who want to print full arch restos. I'll put a picture on the screen here for you to see that print. This was directly out of the printer with no post-processing yet. Just a wash and that was it, not even a cure. And just recently, the company also announced it has been validated for Lucitone as well, making it one of, I think, 3 printers to have this validation, including Carbon, Asiga, and Prime Print. So this is pretty cool stuff, and you can see the company is serious about expanding its resin options. Now regarding the unboxing and getting started, it's very easy to do with this printer. I've done a short video on this and you can check that out if you want, but the process is plug and play and really straightforward. You don't need a technician in sight, there's on-screen prompts that make it very simple and to level the printer, etc. And this is one of the biggest strengths that I see with Formlabs Dental as a whole, and that is it is so user-friendly. And that includes their software PreForm, which they now have a specific dental version for dental printing called PreForm Dental. Now, like all print software, it makes it easy to nest, add supports, add text, make honeycomb models, and print all indications in dentistry, whether it's models, surgical guides, restorations, etc. But one thing I really like about Formlabs is that I find it rare to have a misprint. And to be honest, this was straight out of the box. And this is one of the most reliable printers and easy to use printers I have ever used. This has actually been proven by an independent third-party lab testing this when I asked Formlabs, because they confirmed that it achieves a 99% success rate on prints. And this is pretty amazing. Seriously, this printer just works. Oftentimes, even for me in our lab, we can get a misprint here and there, especially with new printers, as we dial in and kinda learn how to use them. But with Formlabs, the prints just don't seem to fail. And I give props to the software for nesting things and creating supports properly, whatever the geometry of the print object is. Now, speaking of print quality, the Form 4B delivers excellent results. The detail reproduction is great with smooth surfaces and precise geometries. I recently printed a Bago Vasio Smile Trinique resin restoration for a full arch, and straight out of the printer, even before curing, it looked great. I just had to wash it. And I think the printer's calibration system adapts well to different material properties, maintaining excellent print quality across various brands. Now, compared to the previous generations, print speeds have improved significantly, and I mean significantly. I've seen 3 to 4 times faster printing on certain prints, and this was one of the biggest downsides of previous generation Formlabs printers. So it's great to see this addressed. The Form 4B handles everything from models and surgical guides to crowns and denture bases with great consistency. The printer maintains its accuracy even after a year of printing. So for me, the Form 4B integrates everything seamlessly into a complete digital workflow. As mentioned, the PreForm software is intuitive, it's streamlined with dental-specific features that make it easy to optimize prints for different dental applications. Formlabs also has a build platform Flex, which makes part removal easy. No hammers, no scraping, no broken models. The company also has released their second generation Form Wash and Form Cure units to complete the ecosystem, creating an end-to-end solution. Now, I will say the Form Wash is okay. I really wish they improve it a little more for dentistry and make it smaller. But the Form Cure deserves special mention here. It's been redesigned to reduce curing times dramatically. This new Form Cure is much better than the previous one. Redesigned to reduce curing times dramatically. It now cures all dental resins in under 10 minutes. Standard models can be cured in around a minute or so, with the longest curing time being 10 minutes for things like Dental Alti Clear V2, the company's rigid splint resin. Everything is about speed now, and it's nice to see Formlabs finally keeping up and pushing the competition with these cure times. Together with these components, this creates a smooth, predictable workflow from digital design to finished product. Now, while there's a lot to love about the Form 4B, there are a few areas where I think Formlabs could make improvements. First and foremost, in dentistry, especially chairside, we need more specialized build platform and tank options, particularly smaller ones, explicitly designed for crown and bridge work, because pouring a whole bunch of really expensive crown resin in a big resin tank is kind of painful, especially when you use tiny amounts each time. These smaller resin tanks and build plate options would help optimize material usage for smaller prints, and it is something that other printers have had for a number of years. I think if Formlabs really wants to be considered for crown and bridge printing, this needs to come. Now, in terms of speed, while the Form 4B is a significant improvement over previous Formlabs printers, and it does some cool things with some certain applications, like being able to print 11 aligner models in around 9-10 minutes or so. Some competitors with these smaller build platforms and resin tanks can produce certain restorative indications even faster. So if speed on these restorative prints is a top priority for you, you may want to explore all your options. That being said, the Form 4B does have a huge build platform, so it does a lot of volume really fast, and it really comes down to what you want a printer for. And previously, I would complain about the system being closed, which in this day and age, I don't think it's possible to survive in the market with only a few resin options. Thankfully, Formlabs have addressed this recently actually, and now the printer supports an open material mode. It does come with a catch, however, and that brings me to the cost of the system. Let's quickly go over what you get with the complete Form 4B package, which retails for around $7,899. You get the Form 4B printer itself with all the essentials, build platform flex, a finish kit, a second generation form wash and a form cure, a solvent pump, and a 1-year dental service plan. This is all for just under $8,000, and you're getting a complete package: printer, wash, and cure. Now, if you just want the printer alone, you just want to buy a Form 4B, you don't want the package, it's little under $5,000. Now, there's also some additional costs to be aware of. Resin replacement tanks are around $99 each. These are typically last more than a year for the average user, the company says. And resin mixers are $25 each. Note, you only need one mixer per resin type. They're not designed to be consumables, and they will last for a very long time. Most importantly, the open material mode, which I said there is a catch. This costs an additional $2,499. This is a one-time fee and is only paid if you want to open up the printer, essentially allowing you to pour resins directly into the tray and print rather than use the cartridges. If you don't want to do this and you just want to buy a Formlabs Form 4B printer and just use the cartridge resins that Formlabs sells, you don't have to pay this extra fee. So with open material mode, the package is closer to $10,000, or for the printer itself, it's around $7,500. So that brings me to the final question. Is the Formlabs Form 4B worth it? And honestly, it depends on what you want. Obviously, there is a big wave of these restorative focused printers out there for chairside dentistry. But if you want a general all-rounder printer in your clinical lab, I would say yes, this printer is definitely worth considering, especially for dental practices or labs that need reliable, high-quality prints day after day. The combination of great print quality, improved speed, ease of use, and now the flexibility of open material mode makes this a genuinely compelling system. The complete ecosystem approach with great and easy to use software is what is needed in dentistry, and this will help make it accessible for all teams, even those new to 3D printing. The robust build quality also suggests that this system will hold up well to the demands of a busy practice or lab. In fact, our old Form 2 is still working after many years. So if you're considering a general all-rounder printer and bringing dental 3D printing in-house, or perhaps upgrading from an older system, the Form 4B should definitely be on your list to check out. Now that wraps up my review of the Formlabs Form 4B Dental 3D printing system. I hope this gives you a clear picture of what to expect if you consider this investment for your practice or lab. If you have any questions about specific applications or comparisons with other systems, drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. And if you're already using a Form 4B, I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, everyone. This has been Ahmed Al Hasni from the Institute of Digital Dentistry. I'll see you in the next video.